Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 16th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure to check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So anyways, we did have a little bit of a double, really actually technically a triple bottom right at the 50% level, which is a daily time frame Fibonacci retracement. Now, I would think that this would go up and break structure, but so far it is definitely lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. I don't care how many waves it is down. As long as those series of lower highs continues, I will continue to go short. Now, like I said, I feel like it's likely it is going to break structure, but if it does make a lower high, I definitely would continue to short it. If it does go up and break structure, then at the next pullback is where I will turn into a buyer for either an ABC, which would potentially look like this, or potentially a 1, 2, 3, which may even go into a bigger move to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.